You could be doing everything right, but still making small, silent mistakes that quietly wear down your health day after day. Are you skipping meals just because you're not hungry? Drinking coffee instead of water? Or relying on over-the-counter supplements that might be doing more harm than good? If you're over 60, your body has changed in ways that many people simply aren't told about. And if you're not aware of these 7 common mistakes, they could slowly drain your energy, your memory, your strength, and even your independence. But the good news? These are all fixable. And today, we're going to walk through each one so you can stay strong, sharp, and thriving in your golden years. Hi friends, welcome to the channel where we uncover the natural health secrets that really matter, especially for seniors who want to live better, longer, and feel great doing it. In this video, we're breaking down 7 common health mistakes older adults tend to make. Not because they're careless, but because no one ever explained how much the body changes after 60 or 70 or 80. We're going to go through them like you're sitting with a trusted health professional, someone who wants you to understand, not just nod along and forget later. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the weekly health tips that are easy to follow and proven to help you age well, naturally. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, skipping meals, especially in the morning. As you age, appetite can become unpredictable. You may not feel hungry in the morning, or you may skip meals without much thought, but this can be risky. When seniors skip meals, especially breakfast, it can lead to sudden blood sugar crashes, fatigue, mental fog, and even dizziness that increases the risk of falls. You don't need a heavy breakfast. What matters is consistency and balance. Try something simple like a smoothie with almond milk, a scoop of protein and some fruit, or a piece of toast with avocado. These small meals can stabilize your system and fuel your brain, making a huge difference in your energy levels and mood throughout the day. Mistake number 2, not drinking enough water. Most older adults are mildly dehydrated and don't even realize it. That's because your sense of thirst becomes less reliable as you age. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already running low. Dehydration can cause fatigue, constipation, confusion, low blood pressure, and even urinary tract infections. So waiting until you feel thirsty isn't the best strategy. Keep water nearby all day and sip it regularly. If plain water doesn't appeal to you, try infusing it with lemon, cucumber, or mint. Even herbal teas can help. Make hydration a routine part of your day, just like brushing your teeth. Mistake number 3, taking too many supplements without guidance. It's common for seniors to take multiple supplements every day. While some nutrients are helpful, taking too many or taking the wrong combinations can actually cause harm. For example, excess calcium can lead to kidney stones or even contribute to arterial plaque. High doses of vitamin D can disrupt your magnesium levels, and certain supplements may interfere with prescription medications. Instead of guessing, it's important to get your nutrient levels tested through blood work. That way, you're only taking what your body truly needs. This reduces the risk of side effects and helps you avoid wasting money on pills that offer no real benefit. Mistake number 4, relying only on walking for exercise. Walking is a wonderful habit. It supports your heart, keeps your joints moving, and gets you fresh air. But walking alone isn't enough to preserve muscle mass or bone strength as you age. After 60, muscle naturally starts to decline, and with it comes weaker bones, poor balance, slower metabolism, and increased frailty. To combat this, add light strength training to your routine 2 or 3 times per week. This can be as simple as bodyweight exercises like squats or wall push-ups, or using resistance bands or light hand weights. The goal isn't to become a bodybuilder. It's to stay strong enough to move confidently and live independently. Mistake number 5, accepting poor sleep as normal. Many seniors accept broken sleep patterns as part of aging. They wake up multiple times a night, struggle to fall back asleep, and start to believe that it's just the way things are. But poor sleep isn't normal. And it's not harmless either. It impacts memory, mood, blood sugar, blood pressure, and even your immune system. There are natural ways to support better sleep. Start by limiting screen time in the hour before bed. Avoid caffeine after the early afternoon. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. And consider gentle sleep aids like magnesium glycinate, chamomile tea, or tart cherry juice. Also, don't hesitate to get checked for sleep apnea if you snore or wake up gasping. Addressing your sleep can transform how you feel during the day. Mistake number 6, social isolation. Loneliness is more than a feeling. It's a serious health risk. Many older adults experience isolation, especially after retirement or the loss of a spouse. And even those who have family nearby may still feel emotionally disconnected. Studies show that isolation raises your risk of heart disease, cognitive decline, depression, and even early death. Human beings are wired for connection, and that doesn't change with age. You don't have to become a social butterfly. Even small steps help. Join a group or class in your community. Schedule regular phone or video calls with family. Volunteer for a cause you care about. Even brief conversations at the grocery store or with a neighbor can lift your spirits and support your mental health. Mistake number 7. Ignoring digestive changes. Your digestion is different now than it was when you were younger. Your stomach may produce less acid, your enzyme levels may drop, and your gut bacteria may shift. This can lead to bloating, constipation, gas, or just feeling uncomfortable after eating. Even if you haven't changed your diet, your body's ability to process certain foods may have changed. To support digestion, start by chewing your food more thoroughly and eating more slowly. This alone can improve how well you absorb nutrients. Include probiotic-rich foods in your meals, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or miso. If you still struggle, consider adding a gentle digestive enzyme supplement, especially with heavier meals. And make sure you're getting enough fiber through natural foods like fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Supporting your gut health can improve everything from mood to immunity. It's one of the most overlooked parts of aging well. So there you have it. 7 common mistakes that many older adults are making every single day. Mistakes that may seem small, but can have a big impact on your energy, strength, memory, and quality of life. You don't have to change everything at once. Just begin with 1. Drink more water. Add some strength training. Try a probiotic. Get to bed an hour earlier. These steps can help you feel more alive, more alert, and more in control of your health, naturally. If this video helped you, please give it a like so it reaches more people who need it. Share it with a friend or loved one who could benefit. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more natural health guidance every single week. You've made it this far because you care. And we're here to help you every step of the way. Stay well, and see you in the next video.